Twilio getting started with sign up and send messages. I am opening a trial account to send message with Twilio. Fill up the name, email, and password information. Or you can use Google account instead. A verification code has sent to the Gmail account. Need to enter here. Now you have to enter a phone number too. A code has been sent to the phone number again. You need to save this recovery code in your computer in a safe place. Wait a while. Now you need to fill up the form to describe what you want to do with Twilio API. Now it is time to test. Go to Messaging. Then try SMS. Click on Get a Twilio number. Now set up everything to send a test message. Type your message. Message sending successful. Thanks for watching.